Hello guys, and welcome to another Wizard Watch video. Today we're going to show you a Lorier watch. This is the Neptune version 2, another watch for my buddy Amir. So before we start, if you're new to my videos, please subscribe to this channel and turn your notifications on, then you can get future updates about upcoming videos. So let's open the box, see what we get inside. Inside we get very nice vintage leather pouch with a Lorier logo, 2 slots. We have here a card from Lorier. For warranty information and owner's manual, please visit the website. We have here a screwdriver to remove the links, and here our watch. Let's move the pouch aside. And boom. So as always, we first start talking about movement. Inside we get the Seiko NH35A. This movement doing 6 beats per second. We have 24 joules, 41 hours of power reserve. We have here die shock system, hacking and winding, Seiko magic lever. If you shaking the watch to side, it should get going almost immediately. The accuracy rating is plus 40 minus 20 seconds per day, and the accuracy test for this watch doing minus 4 seconds per day. Let's move now to specification. We get a stainless steel case. We have nice case shape that slightly turned down. We get sweet polished bevels over here. Look real nice. We get screw down crown, signed also. We get 120 clicks coin edge bezel with aluminum insert. The action is kind of sweet, a little bit stiff, but really super sweet. No problem to rotate, even with the glove. Super nice, and no back play and no alignment issues. We get Swiss Super Luminova BGW9. We get Doom Plexi crystal that have very nice distortions. We get 200 of water resistant. We have here drill lugs. We get sterile screw down back case. And now we can have a look on the bracelet. We get solid links, solid end links, milled clasp with 2 micro adjustments and a fast release push button. Here we have also the Lorier logo. Really nice bracelet. As you see, super nice. Okay, let's move now to dimensions. The weight of the watch is 155 grams. We get case size of supposed to be 39, but I get 38.5. Kind of weird. The lug to lug is 48. The thickness including the crystal is 15.4, and the strap size is 20, and it tapers down to 16 over here in the clasp. This is really good for those who have a small wrist size. We get a very nice bracelet. Okay, let's have a wrist shot now. And boom. So as you see, the watch sits real nice to my 6.8 inch wrist. This watch sits a little bit high on the wrist, but still very comfy. We have really good dimensions for those who have a small or medium wrist size. The watch sits and looks real good. See, below the bone and above the bone. Okay, let's remove the watch now. Now we'll have outdoor shot, and then we get back here. And here we out under the sun. Now we can see the finishing on the case, the brushing, the polishing. I really love the shape of the case. Very prestigious. Lorier did amazing job on the design, and also the plexiglass gives a vintage look to the watch, and I really love that. Now we can see the watch on my 6.8 inch wrist. Sits really well. Maybe a little bit too high on the wrist, because 15mm is no joke, but I believe most of you can manage that. Below the bone and above the bone. And then we're back. Now we'll have Doomshot. Let's kill the lights. And as you see, the watch being charged from the studio light, and this is the results. Actually, the results are pretty damn nice. Let's boost it up a little bit. And boom, amazing. This watch glows really well. As you see, we can see the time, read it easily, no problem at all. We have lume even on the second hand, which is really nice. Let's pop it a bit more. This watch glows very well. L'Oreal did really good job on the lume. Okay, let's turn on the lights now. Okay guys, so this was the Lorier, the Neptune version 2. This watch costs $400. In my opinion, everything in this watch is well executed. This timepiece is super classy, built really well, and it's a dressy diver's watch because it looks real good. I only have one complaint, and that is the crystal. Of course, I have nothing against the plexiglass because it's super easy to treat it and remove the scratches, but I know some of you will want a sapphire crystal, so I think they should put a second option to the crystal. And if some of you will want a sapphire crystal instead of the plexi, they can choose that, and if they will do it, this option will be really cool. Besides that, as I said, this watch is super good in my opinion, super classy. They now released the third version of this watch, and that watch cost $500. They replaced the movement. Now you have inside the Miyota 90 S5, and also they changed the clasp to a new one with the 3 micro adjustment. So in the new version you just simply get a new movement, and in my opinion I can't tell if it's worth the money, but for sure the Miyota movement have a higher quality over the Seiko NH35, although the Seiko NH35 is very reliable movement and very accurate, but still the Miyota movement cost a bit more than the Seiko NH35 that cost only $40. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. Please, if you can, like and subscribe to this channel, it will help a lot. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.